Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. The 2026 Honda Goldwing 3-wheeler is not just a machine, it's a marvel of modern touring technology that combines the heritage of long-distance performance with a futuristic take on rider comfort, control, and technological advancement. It symbolizes Honda's commitment to pushing the boundaries of motorcycle engineering, this time with a broader stance and an added wheel for unmatched balance and luxury. At its heart, the 2026 Goldwing trike is powered by Honda's iconic 1833cc six-cylinder, horizontally opposed engine, a motor revered for its buttery-smooth operation, torque-rich performance, and incredibly refined road manners. The engine carries over its roots from previous Goldwing generations but has been re-engineered with lighter materials, improved fuel mapping, and reduced internal friction, delivering approximately 125 horsepower and 130 pound-feet of torque at peak. One of the most noticeable features of this trike is its futuristic design language. The bodywork is streamlined, modern, and slightly aggressive while maintaining the traditional Goldwing silhouette. The triple-wheel architecture adds to the visual drama, giving it a solid and grounded stance. The new LED lighting system is sharper and more angular, providing both a unique signature look and enhanced road visibility. For those unfamiliar with trikes, the three-wheeler format offers enormous benefits, especially in terms of rider confidence. With two wheels at the rear, the Goldwing trike provides unbeatable low-speed stability, greater comfort for long rides, and less fatigue when maneuvering in tight urban spaces or inclines, where traditional two-wheelers may struggle. The 2026 model comes equipped with a state-of-the-art dual-clutch transmission (DCT) with 7 speeds. Riders can choose between automatic mode for relaxed cruising or manual mode via handlebar-mounted paddle shifters for more spirited riding. The shifts are smooth, intuitive, and practically seamless, designed to keep the power delivery consistent and satisfying. Honda has upgraded the suspension system to accommodate the added weight and dimensions of the trike. The front double wishbone suspension has been retuned for better cornering precision, while the rear utilizes Pro-Link single-sided swing-arm geometry that's optimized for trike stability. Combined, these systems ensure that the bike handles predictably, absorbs bumps gracefully, and remains composed even when loaded with gear. Comfort remains a Goldwing signature, and the 2026 Trike Edition takes this reputation even further. Both rider and passenger benefit from deeply padded, sculpted seating with heated functionality. The seat height and geometry have been adjusted slightly for improved reach and visibility, while backrests and armrests have been ergonomically enhanced for all-day travel comfort. The electrically adjustable windscreen can be moved up or down with a button press, offering full wind protection for taller riders or a lower stance for those who prefer more airflow. Noise insulation has been improved through reshaped mirrors and fairing vents, helping reduce turbulence and fatigue over extended rides. Tech enthusiasts will be pleased to find a fully integrated infotainment system with a 7-inch TFT touchscreen that supports Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and Bluetooth connectivity. This system allows riders to navigate, take calls, access music, or control the intercom and other rider aids without ever having to pull out a phone or remove gloves. Honda's navigation software now includes real-time traffic alerts, voice-guided directions, and weather overlays. The user interface has been redesigned for better contrast and usability under sunlight or night conditions, and the controls can be managed via handlebar buttons or voice command. The sound system on the Goldwing trike features upgraded speakers with better fidelity and higher output, letting riders enjoy clear music even at highway speeds. Rear speakers for the passenger are optional but recommended for a fully immersive experience. Storage is generous, as expected of a touring trike. The rear trunk now offers 61 liters of space, capable of swallowing 2 full-face helmets. Additional pannier compartments on either side bring the total storage capacity to over 120 liters, plenty for multi-day journeys. Safety is another area where Honda pulls ahead. This model comes standard with anti-lock braking system, ABS traction control, vehicle stability assist, and hill start assist. All these systems work together to keep the trike stable and secure across varying terrain and weather conditions. Reverse mode and walking assist mode are essential trike features. They allow riders to maneuver easily in parking lots, garage spaces, or slight uphill surfaces by engaging the bike's motor at crawling speeds, no more pushing or struggling with a heavy frame. On the performance front, the trike accelerates from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just under 5 seconds, which is incredibly quick for a machine that weighs nearly 1,200 pounds. The power delivery is linear, with torque available across a broad RPM range, making passing maneuvers and highway merges feel effortless. The top speed is electronically limited to around 115 miles per hour, though most riders won't need more than that. The focus is on smooth touring performance, not racing, and in this department, the Gold Wing trike excels. Fuel economy is impressive for its class, offering around 35 to 40 mpg depending on riding conditions and payload. With a 5.5-gallon tank, this means riders can expect a range of over 200 miles before needing a refuel. Though the 2026 model is gasoline-powered, Honda has made steps toward greener efficiency. The engine meets all global emission standards for 2026, and idle stop technology helps reduce emissions in traffic by shutting down the engine at red lights and restarting with throttle input. The electrical system has also been improved. The trike uses a high-capacity battery that supports multiple USB-C charging ports, a tire pressure monitoring system, keyless ignition, and smart locking compartments. Riders can connect to Honda's Ride Connected app, which offers remote start, location tracking, ride history, service scheduling, and even social sharing of trip data and stats. Visually, the trike is available in 4 premium finishes: pearl red, metallic blue, black graphite, and a new silver frost option exclusive to the 2026 model year. Each comes with a unique trim finish and badging. The wheels are 18-inch alloys wrapped in premium touring rubber. The rear wheels are wider and fatter, providing excellent traction and a bold stance on the road, while the front is narrower for sharp steering response. The brakes feature ventilated discs and high-performance calipers from Nissan, optimized to handle the trike's weight without compromising stopping power or fade resistance. Maintenance schedules have been improved, with longer intervals between oil changes and a streamlined service process that reduces downtime during annual servicing. Honda has hinted at optional accessories for the 2026 Gold Wing trike, including a touring luggage set, integrated helmet comms system, a quick detach passenger canopy, and even a semi-autonomous cruise control kit. For customization lovers, the trike's electronics are plug-and-play ready for LED underglow kits, additional cameras, and smart security systems, including GPS-based theft protection. Test riders have praised the 2026 trike for its calm handling. Even in fast corners, the additional wheel and chassis tuning help it remain composed where two-wheelers might feel unstable. Another standout feature is the active ride management system, which adapts suspension and throttle response based on rider load, riding mode, and terrain. It makes a significant difference when traveling through varying elevations or surface types. There are 4 standard riding modes: Tour, Sport, Rain, and Econ. Each mode tweaks throttle mapping, suspension stiffness, and traction control sensitivity to suit the rider's preference or the road condition. Long-distance touring riders will appreciate the included cruise control system with resume and adjustable speed intervals. It's responsive and integrates with braking and gear inputs seamlessly. At night, the adaptive lighting system activates. Headlights automatically pivot as you corner, illuminating the road ahead in the direction you're turning for better nighttime visibility. The seat can also be adjusted vertically to suit rider height, a first for Gold Wing models, ensuring better reach and comfort across body types. The passenger experience has not been neglected. A full armrest suite, adjustable backrest, dedicated vents, and cup holders make for a ride experience that rivals luxury sedans. Connectivity is at its best with built-in Wi-Fi hotspot capability. With an LTE SIM slot, riders and passengers can stay connected even in remote areas, ideal for video calls, streaming, or navigation updates. Honda offers a 3-year unlimited mileage warranty on the 2026 Gold Wing trike, extendable to 5 years. Roadside assistance and digital service tracking are also included. Pricing is expected to start around $33,999 USD, with fully loaded versions potentially exceeding $38,000. That price reflects its premium build and advanced feature set, aimed at serious touring enthusiasts. The model is set to be officially unveiled in fall 2025, with global availability expected to begin in early 2026. Pre-orders will open through Honda's Powersports dealers and online portals in select regions. While the trike is designed primarily for the American and European markets, Honda has confirmed interest in expanding availability to Asia-Pacific, depending on demand and import regulations. With over 45 years of touring heritage behind it, the